Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use scan function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use scan function, I have prepared two examples by which you can easily learn how to use this scan function. Okay, so this is first example, this is second example. So first we will learn in this how to use. Okay, so I want to find running total. Okay, means first day sales, second day, third day and fourth day cumulatively. Okay, so how to do it? So you have to just use this scan function equals to scan. Okay, then initial value will be 0. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to select the array. So I want to find out this sales, cumulative sales each day, then comma, then functions you have to enter lambda. Okay, then it will ask for parameter or calculation. So what you have to do, you have to just press a comma v comma a plus v. Just you have to type this and bracket close, again bracket close, enter. So you will see this is the first day cumulative cell, this is second day cumulative cell, means first day plus second day, in third day first day plus second day plus third day, in fourth day plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 means whole 3 of first day, second day and third day cumulative sales. So this will be 5400. Okay, so like this you can use this scan function in this example, and in the next example you will see how to use that scan function to for the text joining, running text joining. Okay, so how to do it, you have to press equals to, then scan, then here you have to type this inverted comma. Okay, then comma, you have to choose array, then comma lambda bracket open. Okay, then you have to type a comma v comma a, and is used for text joining. Okay, then inverted comma, again and again v. Okay, just press OK. So like this you can use this scan function in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.